In the Gullah Geechee Nation, we be Black history. I the Queen Quet, head pon the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. What did right ya from Jacksonville, North Kakalaki to Jacksonville, Florida. Same place a Yeddi boat called the 40 Acres and a Mule. With Sherman and his force to get us your land to we. But instead as I sit beneath these grasses in the sea, I study what these your shoreline where my ancestors navigate. We had to hold upon the land and had to take a stand, or casting out the net for drawing the next generation, for march and live this just story, what tell the truth, but the legacy. From motherland to right here in this Gullah Geechee sign, we be the shout, we the pay homage to all them will come for we, all learn the children, all how we do what we do, for men who we be. Oh yes, this is the living story of Black history. Or shouting like we ancestors and opening the door for the little children for yet the truth about all what we done do all around the world, from American to Barbados to back here to the Gullah Geechee show where the elders let we know all that you know. Seminole be we family too. Oh yeah, you can't wait to grind. We know what we have to do. And we have to stand true for who we be and pass on this your Black history legacy. So you bring the circle together as it broaden for drawing all 100 children with we will celebrate 365 and 366 this your land where we cast on the sea that you know we standing like the Gullah Geechee Fishing Association for all this year for feed me and for feed Hunter, cause you see we be Black history, cause we victoriously Gullah Geechee and we still dare ya, the Binya ain't gwine nowhere tall, cause God done smile upon we live this year Black gold story.